Let's be honest, in today's world, it's not often that you find people who truly care about others. I mean, because there's millions of people going hungry every day, and some of those people don't even have a roof over their heads.
How could anybody be blind to the suffering, allowing it to get worse rather than intervening?
Thankfully, there are some individuals who choose to do something about it, and what if we could use technology to make a difference in their lives? That's where I step in as a DoorDash delivery driver whose challenge today is beyond just making money.
All right, so we have a crazy challenge today.
My challenge today is to make the most amount of money I can in 1 hour delivering DoorDash orders. But that's not all. For every $1 that I earn in the hour will be one meal that I buy for the homeless. That means for every $1 made is a complete meal with a drink, feeding as many people as possible. I begin my journey by choosing my location in a fast food area where it's typically busy for DoorDash and waste no time in picking up my first order.
All right, so the time starts now. It is 11:30, so we got 1 hour, and we already got our first order, $4 1 mile from this pizza spot, and then an add-on order for $5 from Tropical Smoothie. So, which brings us to a total of $9 for this first delivery, which is a great start, $9.
I have exactly 60 minutes from now to complete this challenge. But remember, the goal here is to feed as many people as possible, so we have to make as much as we possibly can in the hour.
This is gonna be an awesome challenge. Of course, we're gonna try to go as fast as possible because we wanna make as much as possible, because we wanna give as much as possible, guys. Make sure if you haven't already, hit the like on this video. All right, we made it, and we running. And I think the order's ready. All right, Drew, we got you, Drew. Now we gotta go to Tropical Smoothie. Let's get it. We made it. Tropical Smoothie. Let's go. All right, here we go. We are here. How you doing? I got an order for Tanya Falls. I got you, Tanya. I got you, Tanya. I'm on my way. All right, Drew, we are here for you. Hello? Hello? Drew?
Sorry, what?
A Drew C? DoorDash. Hey, what's up, brother?
Thanks so much.
No problem. You have a good day, man. At the second delivery, Sweet 100. I'll be right back. Well, that made it easy. You just love when the customers meet you at the door. Doesn't get any better than that. Let's get it. 10 meals so far already locked in for the homeless, which is amazing, but we got to get some more orders. Traffic! Come on! All right, so we just got an awesome order. An awesome order when I was losing hope a little bit, because they kept giving us really crappy orders that I did not want to take, like $5 for 10 miles. Yeah, pretty horrible, pretty crappy orders. But this order is pretty awesome. $12+ for 5 miles. All right, so this is why I love this shopping center, because we got the first order. You see we're still here. Kava right behind me. We got the first order right here, right? And the second order is right there. You make a lot of money with DoorDash in these types of shopping centers. You got everything around here. It was a little bit of a wait, like a 4-minute wait or so, but they put drinks in the bag. They told me to be careful with the bag. You think it's a good idea to put this bag in a box like this? You think this is stable? I think this is the building. I hope it's the building, because we don't got time to waste. All right, so we did that one. Confirm. They are good to go. But we got one more delivery, and we are running out of time. All right, guys, we just got to the second drop off, and it is been exactly 1 hour. So this is gonna wrap it up. How you doing?
I'm bored.
I have a DoorDash order for, hold on, let me see, I'm sorry. DoorDash is bugging right now. It's still loading. It's still loading. I couldn't even get the picture. All right, there you have it. 1 hour of DoorDash, and we have made $22.54 So we're gonna just round that up to $23. So that means we are going to purchase 23 meals for the homeless. Quality meals, vegetables, protein, right now, 23 meals.
I used all the money I made plus more to order healthy, ready-to-eat meals.
Hey yo, so check this out. Is my volume working? Okay, we working. So we just got here. And yeah, this is the real deal. As you can see, come over here a little bit. This is the area right here. So yeah, we got somebody over here rapping. We about to be in here feeding. So, you know what I mean? Let's get the food. You got the waters, right, Chris? Mm-hmm. We here. Let's do what we came to do, man. Let's give back. Oh, shoot, dude. Oh, this bag is heavy, man. Perfect bag, though. Look at this. Let's look at the gold. Let's look at the gold. Get a close up. Get a close up on the gold, man. Get a close up on the gold. You know what I mean? Let's get it. You got the waters. Let's get those waters.
Yep.
Let's get crack-a-lackin'.
It's like they knew I was coming.
You got their part.
Yep.
It's better than the store brand. Let's get it. Yeah, you got that? That's heavy.
Yeah, I got it.
All right, cool. We got some going to the kitchen. This is awesome.
This is food, just put it on the table.
All right. Let's go over here, Chris. I bought like really good quality meals. I have the ingredients and recipes on the back.
They know what they are.
Is everything, but I got like shrimp and broccoli, like really good meals. And then so you guys.
Can you put it right here for me?
Yeah. So basically, what's happening here is basically you'll see a lot of people out there eating right now. Since I brought the food frozen, they don't have time to thaw it out, and so they're gonna give it to them for dinner. So we might not be around for that. So what we're doing is unloading. Come over here. Great meals. Let's just count these meals for them. Like there it is.
That's 8.
That's 8. Is that 8?
Yep.
Put that in there. All right. So how many is this? Oh. 14. All right.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah. So yeah, by the way, I'm gonna show them what I did. So each meal, so 14, are you still counting?
Yep. 19.
So each meal at the bottom has exactly what it is, the recipe, everything. And she asked me, she said, is it cold? Is it ready to go? And I said, nah, it's not ready to go. So she said, oh, well, we're not prepared to give it for lunch because they gotta heat all of it up. So, I mean, it is what it is. Oh, man. Yeah, it's hot in here. I mean, they cooking here, bro. How many? Where are we at? Okay, well, we bought 36 meals.
36.
Yeah, it's only 36 in there.
Oh, okay.
And two cases of water.
Make it more.
Okay, cool. You can separate it too.
That's
yeah,
even better.
that's even better. Yeah, but there's a lot of packages,
Thank you.
so no problem. Okay.
That's even better though.
Well, this is good, man. Good news. Everybody's gonna eat good tonight. How you doing, brother? Hey, make sure tonight you come back tonight, okay? Because I brought quality meals for you guys. Oh man, I brought shrimp and broccoli.
Oh, good.
I brought like macaroni, cheese, and chicken. I brought veggie food. Yeah, man. I brought everything. Ravioli. Yeah, they're in the packages. Yeah, so make sure when you come back, you ask for the package for dinner. All right, so you're gonna get better food, man. All right. We weren't able to hand it out personally right now because they weren't ready. Like we had to heat it up. They already had food out that they were serving, which is fine. But tonight they're gonna eat better, and that's 36 meals. Hey, brother. Hey, make sure you go to eat tonight, man. I brought like really good food for everybody. I brought like real good stuff. So make sure you go in there. They said they're gonna give it tonight, so make sure you're there tonight, brother. These are like really homeless people, and they come in from the streets. They come here. We decided to do it here because it's just an easier way to get a large lump sum of people in one area food. Besides, I didn't have a microwave to just heat it up on the road, or else I would have. If you can, if you have the means to help others, then help others. We live in a dark world right now with everything that's going on. I'm not even gonna get into politics and what they're doing in our system. So if you have the means to help others and spread love, then spread it.
Even if you don't have any money to like give or any food, I mean, really just a smile or a hug could make their day, you know?
Straight up, man. Straight up. Words of wisdom, man. So that's what it is, and we out. You already know what to do. Team Run It Up. Hit that like. We out.